Welcome to Motor Match Liverpool. Thank you very much for joining us today. We're currently looking at our 2016 66 plate Toyota CHR. If you'd like to bear with us, we'll have a brief overview of the exterior and the interior of the vehicle. But if you do require any additional information, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0151 728 4700, and a salesman will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have regarding this particular vehicle. As we go ahead now and begin our exterior walk around, as you can see here, you do get a very unique looking front end. As we continue our walk around to the near side, you can see here you do have very nice diamond cut alloy wheels with black inserts, which really do complement the car well and give the car the extra sporty look and feel. As we continue our exterior walk around towards the rear and give you a little bit more information, this particular vehicle is the XL Spec. It does come equipped with that petrol hybrid engine, and as you can see, the bodywork is finished in the absolutely stunning glacier white and is in great condition with no dents, scrapes or scratches. If we come back round to the rear, let's pop the tailgate open. As you can see, it's operated just underneath the Toyota badge. You do get a fantastic sized boot space with plenty of space there for at least a week or two's worth of shopping. And as you may have noticed, you do also have 60/40 fold down rear seats in case you do need any extra boot space. If we go ahead and close the tailgate over, as you can see here, you do have privacy glass on those rear windows. Taking a look inside now, beginning the rear first. As you can see, the interior is in fantastic condition. You do get these very nice leather finished seats, which do include the small fabric section in the middle. They're in great condition, and as you can see, you do also get a good amount of rear legroom. Taking a look from the driver's side now, again, the interior is in fantastic condition, and if we take a closer look at these front seats, you can see here that they do offer you plenty of side support and comfort. Just to make you aware, that front driver's seat is height adjustable and does also offer lumbar support, which is a fantastic feature for your back. Inside now, we do have all around electric windows, and those rear windows are lockable. Obviously, if you have kids in the back, you want to keep them as safe as possible and not have them playing with those rear windows. You do also have electric wing mirrors, which, as you can see here, are also retractable. Again, another fantastic feature if you find yourself in a tight parking space or maybe live in a tight street. You obviously don't want to come out and see that those wing mirrors have been knocked off. Taking a look now at this very nice leather 3-point multifunctional steering wheel. On the right hand side, we have your dashboard sub-menu controls, whilst over on the left hand side, we have your volume and track selection controls. Taking a look at your infotainment system now, you can see here you do have DAB, FM and also AM stations. This is a magnificent feature, offering you access to a lot of radio stations, so depending on your personal choice of music, you'll always find a song to sing along to. We do also have Bluetooth connectivity for the hands-free driving experience. We obviously want to keep your hands on the steering wheel as much as you can when you are out on the road. As you can see here, you do also have a very user-friendly satellite navigation. Again, another great driver aid, helping you get from A to B as quickly yet as safely as you possibly can. Last but not least, if we go ahead and pop the car into reverse, there's a brief demonstration of how your rear parking camera is displayed. Again, another fantastic driver aid for any tight spaces you might find yourself manoeuvring in. Just down here, you do also have dual climate control with air conditioning. This is another fantastic feature that means you'll never argue with your passenger again over who's too hot and who's too cold. You can simply adjust your own climates. Just to make you aware as well, both of these front seats are also heated, which is another fantastic feature for those cold and frosty mornings. This particular vehicle, as you can see, is fitted with Toyota's automatic gearbox, which really does provide an extra crisp and smooth gear change. Regarding mileage, however, this car has covered just 48,696 miles from new, and as you can see here, that the dashboard is free from any warning lights. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our 2016 66 plate Toyota CRH. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you do require any additional information, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0151 728 4700, and a salesman will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have regarding this particular vehicle. Just to make you aware, all our cars and vans do come with a 30-day motor match promise and are all subject to a £150 administration fee. We also offer multiple flexible finance options should you choose to use one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.